Alright guys, so this video is going to be, Jonathan is right here with me, and he tends to be a little bit, let me get it back for you. He tends to be a little bit demanding whenever I'm doing my makeup, so I chose to do this video today with Jonathan. Excuse the noise, the landscaper is here today, so I'm going to be meeting this part up, but just know that this would be a raw, uncut video, alright? Oh gosh, my skin. Alright guys, just to be clear on this video is what I'm doing when I'm getting ready with Jonathan. So this is a get ready with me with Jonathan because he is in the room. He'll be coming shortly. Anytime I'm filming, he just makes himself present. Jonathan could have the outer door, could have on the bicycle. Once him see me turn on the camera, him just make himself available. So this is what this video is about. I don't think I made that clear. So I didn't edit anything out. Everything is as is. I added some transitions because my battery kept on, my battery's dying, so I tried to turn it off and on just to preserve it a little bit. And also my camera kept on timing out on me. This is coffee bean, black opal, mechanic pencil. And right now I want to give a huge shout out to all the mothers watching this video, and another huge shout out to all the not Jamaica, but all the mother YouTubers, YouTubers who are mothers out there, who know that the struggle is real, who knows that whenever I know it just for Jonathan. See, I'm trying to do a voiceover, and again he's just like, yep, I can talk. So shout out to all my mothers, shout out to all my YouTuber mothers. You guys know the struggle, and yeah, continue to enjoy the video. Jesus, Jonathan. Get it back for you. My battery's dying. What? La 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 la. I can't believe my battery's dying right now. Hey. Papito, come sit down now. Come sit down and watch ABC. Jonathan, do not throw it like that. Careful, Jonathan. B, you're not going over there. B. Balloon. 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 Bear. Very good. B. Very good. Butterfly. Step 1 primer, smoothing primer. Oh no, my battery. Yes, again, put it on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. No, Papa, no, no. Oh, the foundation that I'll be using is my Shades by Gyal N95. Leave it alone, Jonathan. No, 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 Jonathan. No, you already have your tea. Jonathan, no. No. Jonathan, what's wrong? What? You want juice? You want juice? Jonathan, no. A, B, C, T, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. You're not singing? W, X, Y, and Z. Ba, 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 ba. M, N, O, P, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hey, hey, be careful. Jono. Be careful. E. LA Pro Concealing Fan. Jono, why don't sit down on a chair? Sit on a chair. Sit on your chair. No, you can't put on any. Elephant. Papa, see me doing something. Papito. Papa, why are you doing that? And mommy doing something. Alright guys, I'm going with my banana powder. Papa, you have to wait. Jonathan, you cannot touch it. No. You can't touch it. Why you won't trust me? Jonathan. Stop. Wait, mommy have to go. So I'm using my Shades by Gyal palette, and I'm using this as my powder. I don't think you guys understand how difficult it is to do my makeup with Jonathan clutching to me. And you know, for about an hour, probably 45 minutes, I was just there doing nothing. You know, bathe him and everything. He's ready, and he was all independent. Pull up him ABC, sitting down on his chair, watching it. And as soon as I turned the camera on, he looked to see that it was on, and he's like, "All right, it's showtime." Papa, wait, no, Jonathan. Wait. If you hear a whirling sound, guys, that's my fan. I'm so sorry, this video is so noisy. But I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of banana powder to blend out here. Why are you laughing? What? So in light of recent events, I'm just going to go ahead and put my lashes on. that down. While that's getting tacky, I'm going to grab my glow, and this is the one that I'll be using. Something very subtle, nothing blinding. Sorry about that, guys. My camera keeps on timing out on me. As I said, nothing blinding. Then I'm going in with my, but my battery doesn't die, my Saharan palette. It's because I have it laid out in front of me. I'm going to take Jamila. Jamila? 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 That's my blush. Oh, you cut? For my eyeliner, I'm taking L'Oreal Silk Cine in black. Or I think it's called Noir. You don't want to sit on a chair? Why? Jonathan. No. Yeah, Malcolm there. Stop, Milo, stop. I hope this footage is good because the lens looks as if it's shaking. Sweet Revenge, LA Girl matte lipstick. Plum, LA Colors lip liner.
It's a rainbow. Rainbow starts with R.
I really hope this footage is okay because that's shaking pretty badly. I'm going to use my brush to just take off some of the glow right here.
Who is it? It's Rachel. Rachel sliding down the rainbow.
Then for my brow bone, I take in Ben Nye banana powder just to set it. Nothing in my crease, nothing nowhere else. This is the look. Noise now. This is what I try to avoid whenever I'm filming. All these noise. This is why when I do voiceover, some of the noise is transfer and all that good stuff. So this is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I doubt I'll make another video like this. That's still going. He's still pushing on. Alright, this is the look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.